Many beginners who want to make money from e-waste recycling think that removing components from circuit boards can be done by hand or simply by burning them. However, after more than 10 years in the e-waste recycling industry, we can confidently say that this is not a safe or efficient solution. Manual dismantling is extremely slow, and burning circuit boards releases toxic gases that not only harm the environment but also pose serious risks to human health when inhaled over time. Our PCB Components Dismantling Machine has been one of the most trusted solutions among e-waste recyclers worldwide for more than a decade. It is specially designed to safely and efficiently remove electronic components from waste circuit boards such as CPUs, RAMs, ICs, and chips. The biggest advantage of this machine is the fume treatment system, which effectively captures and filters the harmful gases generated during the dismantling process. This ensures a much cleaner, safer, and environmentally friendly operation. Whether you are running a small e-waste recycling workshop or starting your first PCB dismantling business, this machine offers a professional, high-efficiency, and pollution-free way to recover valuable electronic components. With simple operation, stable performance, and low maintenance cost, our dismantling machine is the perfect tool for anyone looking to step into the profitable and sustainable field of e-waste recycling. Contact us to get a quote and see how this system can grow your recycling business.
Thank you.